Okay, so see how it's not dripping anymore? It's soft. It's really soft, but it's not drippy. So, I mean, I don't know what consistency this is. You just want it so it doesn't drip, but that it's so really soft. So, but it's not going to, it's actually not going to go back in on itself. It's probably a count of 25 or 30. Okay, that's what you're going to want. Okay, and I don't really need a tip in here, but I'm going to go ahead and put a tip in here anyway. I'm going to put my number 4 in here that I used earlier. Here comes the fun part. I have to laugh because I never, you know, kind of a messy baker. What can I say? So when I do stuff, you know, I don't lay down. You can tell I got things all over the counter. You know, I don't lay down
Silpat mat.
Mats. I don't lay down paper towels to catch things. Yeah.
You just go for it.
So yeah, just kind of go for it because I'm always in a hurry. I'll clean it up later. It would save on cleanup. Okay. So what you want to do is you want some either nonpareils, which are these cute little snowball guys. See them? Or you want some sanding sugar or some edible glitter, whatever looks like snow to you. And you're going to want to make some snow. So I'm going to randomly put some snow on this. And here it comes. And then you have these drip all over the place.
Look at that.
And they're picking them up off your floor for the next million years. But that's the way I roll. So, whoops, I just shoved my finger in that.
Careful.
It's a good move. It wasn't dry yet, so don't do that. You can see it's not dry underneath. Okay. I dented it. Yep. It's all right. This is just a practice one.
Ada suggests that you might want to put the lids back on your jar so it doesn't dry out.
Yeah, probably. Probably. It was probably a good idea.
In fact, I think that's what Socrates said to Plato. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm afraid that went over my head. Anyways, snow.
Awesome.
Snow. And then the last thing you're going to do, I normally wait till it's, you know, the rest of it's dry before I do that. This will take about a day to dry all the way. Mm-hmm. So I usually wait a day before I put my snow and my dragées on, which is what's next. Hooey. Okay, so a little dot.
So this is a 2-day project.
It can be. You basically cook them all and get them up to just the icing and the rails one day, and then add the decorative things the next day and put it together.
But if the icing has dried and you put a dragée on it, wouldn't you need to use a brush or something to give a little bit of moisture?
I put a little drop of icing on there to get it. Yeah. Okay.
That's cute.
Yep. And we'll do one more. Whoops. You probably should do it in red, but I did it in white. Too bad. Whoop.
Come back.
Sakes. Yeah. Come on, guy. Do it in red. You're not going to see it, but if you do a too big of a blob, then you want to make sure it's in red. There we go. Okay.
That was your signature thumb.
That was my thumbprint. Yep. So I just stuck a little twirl there.
Some people put their initials on it.
Yeah, you could. I'll just put a swirl. There we go. So you can't see it. Okay, so basically this is what we want.
Okay.
Something like this.
Yep.